Hello, my name is Sarah Weisinger, and today I will be teaching you how to load and unload a Holga. Part 1. Loading a Holga. When loading a Holga, first slide both metal clips downward to release the backing of the camera. Next, remove the backing. Then, open the packaging of the film and insert the roll of film into the camera, making sure the film doesn't unroll. Since it isn't in a metal canister, the film can unroll much more easily, so once the adhesive is removed, be sure that the film doesn't unroll at all. Next, pull the tab on the end of the film across the back of the camera to the take-up spool and insert the tab. Next, turn the film advance knob until the film catches, and then close the back by putting it into place and sliding the clips into the closed position. At this point, you can add black electrical tape around the seam of the camera to block out excess light if desired. Advance the film past the arrows until the number 1 is visible. You are now ready to begin taking pictures. Part 2. Unloading film from a Holga. When unloading a Holga, advance the film as far as possible until it is completely wound on the take-up spool and the film is no longer visible in the back window after completing all 12 of your exposures. Then, slide the clips downward again and remove the backing. Next, remove the exposed film, making sure it stays wound tightly. Then fold the end under and seal the film with the given adhesive. The empty spool on the left will be moved to the right to act as a future take-up spool. You have now successfully unloaded the film from your Holga camera.